Hello, y'all. It's Tammy Cali style. Coming back at you for another video. Yes. Today, I'm so happy. I'm off tomorrow, you guys. So how y'all been? I've been missing you. I'm glad to be back with you today. So today, we're going to have some fun. I got something a little different here today that I'm going to be eating with you guys. So come eat with me. Come on. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and click that bell to be notified. Like, subscribe, and click that bell to be notified. Love it. All right, you guys. So today, I am having, I don't know about you guys in other states, but California, Cali style, we have something called Arby's. Yes, y'all. Arby's. My drink is a mellow yellow. I guess that's like similar to like a Mountain Dew. Okay, so let me show y'all what I got from Arby's. Got a bunch. Let me back my seat on up. Okay. Yeah, I got me some curly fries. Curly seasoned fries, I should say. All right. Okay. And I like to dip those in some cheese sauce. Some cheese on that sauce. And I got some, just 4 mozzarella sticks. I'm gonna dip that into some marinara sauce. I'm gonna eat those right now because I like them while they're still hot. Okay, then, of course, I got the beef and cheddar. The beef and cheddar, y'all, is roast beef, like deli cut. Look at that. Hope y'all can see it. And it has cheese on it. Let me open it up for you. Cheese on it. And it comes with like the Arby's sauce, but I got some Arby's sauce extra because they never put enough on there. Ooh, I got more than one napkin today, you guys. Yeah. Whoop, whoop. Okay, and I got some, they call theirs horsey sauce, which is like a horseradish. But I used to didn't like that. But now, I'm all about it. It's so good. So you guys come through California, you gotta go to Arby's. It's simply delicious. I was gonna say this in Spanish, delicioso. Look at that, right there. Dipped in that cheese sauce. That's the only way to eat those too. I used to dip them in ranch until I tasted the cheese sauce. Alright. Here's my marinara. Mozzarella stick. Check it out, y'all. That's why I like to eat those fresh. With another dip of that cheese. Of course, y'all, you know I'm hungry. I mean, nothing all day. Just been working. Why not? So good. dip these some more. It's so good. Now let me get into that sandwich before I start to say, uh-oh, I'm getting full. So for the sandwich, I'm going to add some Arby's sauce and some horseshoe sauce. I love it now with the horseshoe sauce. Let me back up some more. This is so good, y'all. So how y'all been? How you guys been? What you eating with me? Comment below if you've heard of Arby's before. And if you like it, you can't go wrong. If you've tasted it, I know you like it. Oh, trust and believe you like it. For sure. Somebody's like walking up to my car. They better not interrupt me. This is business. I do it like I do at home. Don't answer that door. Ow. Especially if they unexpected. You didn't call. Oh, you're not getting in. You're not getting in, buddy. I was young teenagers getting off from high school. So I put my horseradish on there, my Arby's sauce. I think, you know, they say your palate, it graduates like every 7 years, it changes. You know, and I used to hate horseradish. Yeah, but now, I'm about it, y'all, about it. Oh. Thumb down before I forget. But first, let me get some of these cheese fries. Oh, that is so good. So, we'll do the thumbnail like this. I think that'll do. I think that'll do. I think that'll do. I should got 2 of these cheese sauce, y'all. That's how it tastes when y'all be doing that fried chicken in it. I don't know. What kind of cheese that is it that you guys be using? Is it Cheese Whiz? Is it Velveeta? I think that makes a difference. It's so good. Look at all that beef. Roast beef. Oh. Yeah, I got 3 mozzarella sticks left. I usually sometimes save them because they heat up good. Oh, all right. Oh, it's so good, y'all. Took 2 bites. Y'all know it's good when I take 2 bites. Come on down here to ARBY'S. They have different sandwiches. I just love their deli, like roast beef is so lean. It melts in your mouth. I would love it if they came up with a pastrami sandwich. You know what I mean? All that meat right there. Only thing about these French fries, you don't really get a lot of the curly ones. You get, like, you know, the little ends and towards the bottom. And then it started being crumbs. I want to pour them in the bag, and I like these, y'all, but longer. Found a good one. Look at that one right there. Take another bite first and I'll eat that one. ARBY'S, thebomb.com. They didn't even put that much cheese in there. I wonder how much I paid for some cheese sauce. It's almost already gone. Look at that. I only dipped like a few fries. Guess I'm putting a lot on them. Now, we are approaching the end of the month already. It went by so fast. I can't believe it. No shame in my game. Y'all don't know it's good when I'm not talking. Make sure to go watch all my other videos too, you guys. It's pretty stacking up, you know, pretty fast. Considering, you know, I just started. You know, they stack up those videos, stack up pretty fast. Especially when you're diligently doing them every day. Y'all, take your bite. Take you a juicy woosy bite. There you go. It's so good. So y'all. Yeah, who likes horseradish? Comment below. It's a distinctive taste. But Arby's is really good. I like it when they do it, you know, right. I went to this one restaurant, I think it was Lazy Dog's restaurant. And I had like a beef dip or sandwich or something like that there. And they put horseradish in the sauce. When you're a good chef and you know how to work it right, woo, you know how to work it right. You know what I'm saying? You can make anything taste good. I call that a mixologist, you know what I'm saying? So, it was really good. Just like, there's things that, I know I say that, you know, your taste buds change every 7 years. It gets more mature. And that's true, because when I was younger, I didn't really like, you know, greens or broccoli. Now I love it, you know? That last bite, y'all. It's so good. But usually things like that has a potent taste, that's strong, you gotta really do it right. Just like goat cheese. I don't like goat cheese just straight up goat cheese like that. You gotta know how to, you know, finesse it and you know, cook it right. Put it in the right other things. Maybe not too much. Because goat cheese is pretty strong. But it's good made the right way, right? This is my last bite. No more cheese, y'all. Barely is all on my fingers. Take that, bro. You want the last bite? So good. So good. Let's see. My mozzarella sticks. Should I save them or should I eat one more? Let's eat one more. I'm doing it for y'all. Too hot. The mozzarella sticks are good too, y'all. This is so good. Tammy. So good. Can't you see? Say that too. I'm about to pop go. Weasel. I say these fries too. Well, y'all, that was delicious. And Mm. 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 And I'm glad y'all got to eat with me today. Sorry I didn't talk much, y'all. It was so good. I was so hungry. I'm thirsty. Mm. Mm-hmm. Oh, man. Well, y'all, I gotta go back to work. But thank you for coming to eat with me and hanging out with me. I will be uploading Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. On that note, that's all. I think I got everything out there. So please, you guys, if you want to see more of me, what do you want to do? Like, subscribe, and click that bell to be notified. Like, subscribe, and click that bell to be notified. Notify. Alright, you guys, signing out. It's Tammy Cali style. Till next time, I'll see y'all. Love y'all. Bye-bye.